Hey, everyone, welcome to channel name. Are you new to weightlifting? Feeling overwhelmed by all the exercises and routines out there? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, we're diving into a beginner-friendly 3-day weightlifting plan that will build your strength, boost your confidence, and set you up for success. Why weightlifting is essential, easy to follow 3-day plan tips for beginners. Stick with me for the next 60 minutes as I walk you through everything step by step, from warm-ups to cooldowns, proper form, and tips to get the most out of your workouts. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on more fitness tips. First things first, why is weightlifting so beneficial, especially if you're a beginner? Let's talk about the science and the long-term benefits. Key points to highlight. 1. Build muscle, helps shape and tone your body. Increases muscle mass, which improves daily functionality. 2. Strengthen bones. Weightlifting improves bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. 3. Boost your metabolism. More muscle means you burn more calories, even at rest. 4. Mental health benefits, reduces stress and boosts mood through endorphin release. 5. Confidence, tracking your progress and hitting milestones feels amazing. The best part? You don't need a lot of equipment or experience to get started. Focus on consistency and form, and the results will follow. Let's break down the 3-day weightlifting plan. We'll focus on full body workouts spread across 3 non-consecutive days, think Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Why? This schedule gives your muscles time to recover, which is crucial for growth. Day 1, push exercises, chest, shoulders, triceps. Day 2, pull exercises, back, biceps. Day 3, lower body and core. Each workout includes 4 to 6 exercises, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per exercise, and about 60 to 90 seconds of rest between sets. Keep your weights light to start, your focus should always be on proper form over heavy lifting. Additional tips, track your progress, keep a journal or use a fitness app to log your exercises, weights, and reps. Rest days, use rest days for light cardio, stretching, or yoga to stay active without overworking your muscles. Before we lift, warming up is essential to avoid injuries and prepare your body for movement. Let's do a quick 5-minute warm-up together. 1. 2 minutes of light cardio, jumping jacks, brisk walking, or jogging in place. 2. Dynamic stretches, arm circles, forward and backward for 30 seconds. Leg swings, side to side and front to back, 10 per leg. Torso twists, 15 twists. 3. Bodyweight squats, 10 reps to engage your legs and core. Feeling warmed up? Let's get to the fun part, weightlifting. Day 1, push day. On push day, we'll target the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Here's the workout breakdown. 1. Bench press, or push UPS 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Tip, keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle, and don't arch your back. 2. Overhead shoulder press, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Tip, use dumbbells or resistance bands if you're at home. 3. Tricep dips, or tricep extensions, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. A tip, keep your movements controlled for maximum tricep engagement. Remember to breathe during each lift, and don't rush. Rest for 60 to 90 seconds between sets to recover. Day 2 focuses on pulling movements to strengthen your back and biceps. Here's what you'll do. 1. Bend over rows, or resistance band rows, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Tip, keep your back straight and core engaged. 2. Lat pull downs, or assisted pull UPS 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Tip, pull the bar to your chest, not behind your neck. 3. Bicep curls, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Tip, avoid swinging the weights, let your biceps do the work. By the end of this workout, you'll feel that satisfying burn in your back and arms. That's progress. Day 3, Lower Body and Core. Our final workout focuses on your lower body and core. Strong legs and core muscles are essential for overall fitness. Let's go. 1. Squats, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Tip, keep your knees aligned with your toes and your chest up. 2. Deadlifts, or dumbbell Romanian deadlifts, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Tip, keep the weights close to your body and hinge at your hips. 3. Plank holds, 3 sets of 20 to 30 seconds. Tip, keep your body in a straight line, no sagging hips. Cooling down is just as important as warming up. Stretching improves flexibility and helps your body recover faster. Follow along with me. 1. Child pose, 30 seconds stretches your back and shoulders. 2. Hamstring stretch, 30 seconds per leg loosens up your legs. 3. Chest opener, 30 seconds releases tension in your chest and shoulders. And that's a wrap on your 3-day beginner weightlifting plan. Remember, progress takes time, focus on small wins, like lifting heavier weights or completing an extra rep, you're stronger than you think. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a friend starting their fitness journey. Comment below with your goals, and let's crush them together. See you in the next video, stay strong, stay consistent, and keep lifting.